Hi everyone, and welcome to How to Like Couponer. So today I'm here with a What is Kroger Cashback tutorial video, because I know so many of you, I did a poll yesterday and it actually said 51% of you have no idea what KCB is. And I don't know how that's possible, but apparently it is. So I must not do a very good job explaining. I did do an entire tutorial video, but I guess no one saw that. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a new one because I want to make sure everyone gets the picture. Kroger Cashback is such a great thing. It has made me legit so much money. So much money. I love Kroger Cashback. I absolutely love Kroger Cashback. So I want to teach you all how to use Kroger Cashback, how to maximize your savings with it, and it's how to start getting a bunch of stuff for free at Kroger. So I'm going to flip you on over to my desktop and you guys can see that. So we're actually starting on the Kroger website. And this is the first thing I think throws people off about the Kroger Cashback rewards is everyone just thinks it's on the Kroger app. As of right now, it is not a part of the Kroger app. It is only available through the Kroger website, which you can easily access on your phone browser. On Apple, I use Safari. It's easy. It works just fine. But yeah, really awesome. So you have to do it on your computer. So here's how you access this. Go to the Kroger website. So just Kroger.com. If my computer will load. It takes you to this front page. What you're going to do is hover over the button that says Save. So see this little tab that says Save? And you can do this for any of your Kroger affiliates. And click on Cashback. If your Kroger affiliate website does not have Cashback, it probably means that the Kroger Cashback program is not available in your area. I know stores like Ralph's does not have it yet. I think JC does not have it yet. Various Kroger stores do not have Kroger Cashback yet, but they are, I'm sure, going to get it soon. So you've hit this page. I've had some people be like, Kroger Cashback at the register? What do you mean? No, Kroger Cashback is essentially a very similar system to Saving Star is what really comes to mind with me. It reminds me identical of Saving Star. What you're going to do is you're going to get offers. You're going to get various offers on your card. Once you get to Cashback, everyone's going to have the same offers. You're going to scroll through and find the ones you want. They don't have a very good system. Like you can't go up here and type, oh, I want blah, blah, blah product and I want the cashback for that. It does not work like that. You have to sit and scroll through, or you can break it down by category. So that does work, but it's not exactly right. Like look here, it has corn under canned and packaged. That's refrigerated. That's not. It's not canned and packaged. So yeah, but that's what you do. So you're going to look through the offers. You're going to select the ones you want to load to your Kroger Plus card. Now here's a little sticky situation. If you don't load one of these cashbacks, let's say, for instance, a couple days ago, the Lala smoothies showed up on Kroger Cashback. So I mentioned it in a video like a week later, and people were like, Nick, the Lala is gone. Here's the problem with Kroger Cashback. Once a certain amount of people load it to their Kroger Plus card, it's no longer available for anyone. It becomes no longer available for anyone else to load. So once it hits an overall limit, you'll no longer be able to clip it. And there's really no way for us to ever tell this. So if you see something you think, okay, I might very well use this, clip it. But here's where the other issue comes. Kroger Plus cards have a limit. You have a limit of about, I believe it is 250 items you can load on your Plus card at any given time. So once you go over the maximum threshold that you load on your card, you can't load any more digital coupons or Kroger Cashback. So you need to be very selective about which ones you load, and you cannot unclip them once you load them. So it's really a sticky situation here. So here's what you do. You load the offers to your card. You go into the Kroger store and you buy the products. You go into the store and you buy the products. And then what you do, so you don't do anything at the register. You just scan your Kroger card or enter your little phone number or whatever and pay as usual. You are not seeing the Kroger Cashback savings right now. That is not how this works. You are not going to get it back. They're not going to hand you cash at the register or anything like that. You're just going to pay for it out of pocket. Then if you've had it clipped, you are going to get the rebate back in anywhere from, mine is usually 2 days. Maximum it could take is 10 days. So yeah, kind of a long time, but not so bad. And the thing I love about this is there is no you have to come home and scan a receipt. That is not how KCB works. It is so nice in that respect that you don't have to do that. You just scan your Plus card and you're good to go. So that is how you load offers. When you want to load an offer, I'm not logged in. Let me go ahead and log in and show you what it is to load an offer. Okay, so here we go. Here's what it means to load an offer. So it'll have all these offers pulled up, which as you see on my screen is a little bit different than the other one because I've used a lot of those offers that other people can clip. Let's say I want to clip this one for 25 cents on multi-meal cereal. I see it. I click load to card. It's loaded to my card. That plain and simple. So if I go into Kroger and I buy a thing of multi-meal cereal, I'll get the cash back within the 10 days, which is awesome. And some of these you can actually do multiple times. So like it says, buy one multi-meal cereal, 18 ounce or larger, get 25 cents cash back up to 5 times. So you can do that 5 times in a single transaction. Now keep in mind, once you do it once, the rebate will be gone and you will not be able to do it again. It's not going to come back for you to do again. That's not how this works. You do it once and it's done. So that's an unfortunate part. But there truly are tons and tons of rebates on Kroger Cashback. Tons, like literally an absolute ton of stuff that you can make work. Now you might be thinking, oh my gosh, this is amazing because Ibotta has identical offers, and that is the legit truth. They really do. So like, let's say for instance, the corn, $2 Kroger cash back, there's been a $2 Ibotta rebate for the corn. So that would make that totally free if it was on sale for $3.99, which it was last week. So yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. And this happens pretty much all the time. I'm trying to think of another good example. The Lumify. There's a $4 Ibotta. There's a $4 Kroger cash back. So you're going to get $8 back on one of them. That's crazy. Like I said, that's insane. But here is where a major wrench is thrown in our plans. You are no longer permitted to use any manufacturer coupons with Kroger Cashback Rewards. It's not allowed. I don't care what any YouTuber or Instagrammer tells you. Kroger specifically stated in their policy, you may not combine coupons with Kroger Cashback. That's not allowed. You're not allowed to do that. You can't combine coupons with Kroger Cashback. But this still is amazing because we can combine it with other rebate offers. So like I've been able to literally take an identical Ibotta rebate and stack it with a Kroger Cashback rebate, which is not prohibited, and get so many free things. Let me show you under my loaded offers that I've loaded, and you guys can see the kind of deals I've done. Okay, here's a great example. So the Kashi products, the Kashi snack bites, they were $1.99 mega sale price this last mega event we had. There was $1 Ibotta and $1 Kroger Cashback. They both were limit 5. So I bought 5 of them for $10. I got $1 from Ibotta and $1 from Kroger Cashback, of course, times 5. So I got 5 boxes for free because of that. And that's amazing. I've done the Rio Luna. That was awesome. The Susie's Muffins. This is a great one. They were $1.99. Had $1.99 on 2 from Kroger Cashback. And the same thing from Ibotta. So it just canceled each other out and I got both of them for free. So it's crazy once you start stacking all this together. Same with the Kind bars. Those were free. The Lipton teas were free. Just crazy. Crazy. So I'm going to show you now about cashing out. How you cash out with Kroger Cashback. All right. So there are 2 various ways you can cash out. You can cash out with PayPal, which is awesome. You just enter your PayPal info and you get your money deposited to PayPal. But the downfall with this is you must have a minimum of $20 sitting in your Kroger Cashback in order to have a PayPal transfer. However, you can really make this awesome is there is no minimum with your Kroger Plus card. So basically what I can do is I can cash out the $5.50 onto my Kroger Plus card, which I'm about to do. And in a couple hours, it takes a few minutes or moments or whatever. I give it a couple hours to load my account. When I go up to the register at Kroger, I'm going to have $5.50 available to spend at Kroger. I don't have to do any minimums. I can just use it right in Kroger, which is amazing. Amazing. That's what I love so much about Kroger Cashback is that some of these apps are so hard to hit minimums on. Ibotta's 20, Checkout 51's 20, Saving Star's 20 now. But Kroger Cash Back, as long as I get it to my Kroger card, I could have 50 cents sitting in there and I could cash it out right away. So let me show you another example. $5.50, I'm going to send to my shopper's card. And it's on my shopper's cards. I could go into Kroger tonight and I could use that money. Awesome. Love that. Love that. So that's amazing. All right. So let me show you a couple more little things. That honestly sums it up. Load the offers. Load the ones that you want to do when you see them. Immediately load them. Then, that way you're not going to miss out if it goes away. So I'm just doing a quick recap. You're not going to miss out if it goes away. Also, I'd encourage, be sure to make sure you don't have any digital coupons loaded for the products that you're trying to get, because you're not allowed to do it. Yes, I know it still sometimes works. If people say, oh, Nick, it still works. But you're not permitted to do that per Kroger rules. They say you're not allowed. So don't make a habit. If it accidentally happens, okay, but don't make a habit of doing that, even if it does work for you, that we need to follow the rules. It is a privilege, not a right. So load that stuff, go into Kroger, look for rebates you can combine with it. Just because we can't combine manufacturer coupons does not mean we can't combine other rebates with it. And then remember, you don't have to have any minimum if you cash out to your Kroger card, which is what I always do. So I really, really hope that clears up the air on Kroger Cashback. I have had so many comments. Does this seem clear to anybody? You just go to the site, you hover over Save, you click on Cashback, and you load up your offers. You go scan your shopper's card, and you cash out. On the very rare event that it doesn't give you the cashback, which just used to happen a ton more in the early days, now that's not the case. Now it works really, really well. So yeah, it works really good now. If you have an issue, you can send them an email or you can call them, but they personally say, please wait the 10 days to make sure it doesn't come through. So yeah, really important. So yeah, that's all I have. Be sure to come back later this afternoon for my Kroger Deals video. I'm planning on going back in store. There's a lot of cool stuff to talk about, and I hope this cleared it up. If you still have questions on Kroger Cashback, please ask. But I really hope this helps eliminate some of the confusion. So yep, that's all that I have, and thanks for watching.